how to change the caption translation language on Instagram. So this will help you translate videos that you don't understand into your preferred language. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. First, you need to load up the Instagram app and head over to your profile page. Now click on the settings bar in the top right hand corner. Now scroll down the settings until you see languages and translations and click on this. Now first of all, make sure translate text on Reels is turned on, and also translate voice, make sure this is turned on. You can then press preferred languages, and this is where you can go and select the language you want to translate the Reels to. So you may need to press the add language button, and you can go and select the language that you want to translate to and press add. Now in order for this to work, you need to make sure your preferred language is at the top of this list. So you can do that just by holding down on this navigation bar, and then you can just move it up to the top like this. Now once it's set to the primary language, you can go and play a reel on Instagram, and that's how to change the language translation caption.